Pontiac Firebird 1989. The engine doesn't start. The spark plugs are in. The new alternator, because the battery wasn't charging. So the battery's quite new. Everything seems good. Let's try and start the engine now. And listen to what happens. Right, trying to start the KITT car. Let's have a. Okay. Keeps making this noise. Doesn't turn over. What can I do? Who knows? Who can help? Give me some advice, please. Thank you. Come on. So we've taken out the spark plugs, we've cleaned the spark plugs, we've dried them out and put them back in. The car's still not starting. We've checked the distributor switch and that was a little bit dirty, but that was cleaned and put back. Still not starting. We tried to jump start the car, still not starting. And what else have we tried? What else? Well, we're fully charging the battery now. The battery's at home, so let's charge it up and let's see if it works. The battery fully charged. What else have we tried? We tried to put in the special startup spray in the engine filter. That didn't help. So it must be something else. So we'll keep trying and let's see what happens. I've had two mechanics check it and they couldn't work it out. So let's see if it's simply just the battery not producing enough power for the engine to start. And we'll see. I have 8 hours plus to wait, so I'll try it again tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, so now the battery is fully charged. I've connected it back up. So let's try it again. Let's see what's going on. Disconnecting this blue cable, I'm not sure where that's going to. I've just disconnected it from the red section, positive section for the moment. Okay, start the engine, see what happens. Okay, Rider 2000. Let's get the key, original key. There's a USB. There it goes. No. It's trying to start. Battery's completely full. It just doesn't want to start. Right. Okay, so fully charged battery, not starting. Spark plugs taken out, cleaned and reseated. Still not starting. The fuel pump is working when you turn the ignition, it's pumping oil. So still not starting. What else has been checked? Distributor's switch. That's fine, there was nothing wrong with it. So what else can it be? If anyone has any ideas, please let me know. What else can I check? It's an old Pontiac Firebird 1989. Thank you very much. Oh, we also checked the fuses and they're fine also. So I'm not sure what else it can be. Thank you. Okay, so it's still not starting. The blue cable is actually for the electrics, the Night Rider dashboard. So let's see now if it works. Okay, I've got this light on, so says IMFL rest. That's for the what do you call it? Airbag. That's always on. Service engine soon. Okay. There are the warning lights. Fuel is maximum. Second check. Okay, so ever since someone crashed me, I can't start the car again, and there isn't a safety switch on the car, so it hasn't disabled itself. So I've had two mechanics look at it and they can't work it out, so I need to get it towed to a garage now. Unless someone else can advise me what to do.